Hey you guys, I'm going to show you a quick DIY for your two-tier tray, and I already had made that little crown, and that is the colors for the 4th of July. So red, white, and blue. I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of red, white, and blue ideas for your two-tier tray. I thought it would be perfect since I'm going to go ahead and make mine soon. I picked up this styrofoam stars from the Dollar Tree, and you get 20 pieces, so it's perfect if you're going to go ahead and make something like this. And all I'm going to do is add a couple of these stars onto the cup and onto the marshmallow cup as well. This is going to give it that little extra touch that I'm looking for. And they are adorable. And for $1, you cannot go wrong if you're going to go ahead and have a 4th of July party, a barbecue, and you need a couple of ideas to display the American colors. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with just a couple of them just to see how it looks and make everything look really pretty, and just mix it up and make it look nice. But that is a very good idea right here, and it's super affordable. I'm just going to go ahead and move everything around so I have it exactly how I like it, and it is adorable. Look at how cute that's going to look onto my tray. Now the next one, I'm going to go ahead and mess with it as well until I have it exactly how I want it. And there you go. Look at how cute that is. So that's a cute, simple, affordable idea just to have on your two-tier display or just on your tray display. It's going to look really pretty and people are going to want to touch it. The next thing I'm adding is this dollar vase as well. It's just a mini little vase. And I'm going to go ahead and add these paper straws from the dollar store. And they're going to be in the color red and blue. So I thought that was a very simple yet really pretty idea to just display around your house. If you're going to go ahead and add a couple of the 4th of July theme on there, I thought the paper straws were a great idea for this. And all you're using is the red, white, and blue. So it's perfect. Look at how cute that is. That is a perfect, simple, affordable idea to display. And it's gorgeous. Let me tell you, if you go ahead and find the vase in blue, even better. That way you can go ahead and display it really nice on there. But I couldn't find it in blue, so I picked it up in the clear. And it actually worked out very fine. The next thing I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use this burlap string. And I'm going to make a garland out of these little stars that I made. Look at how cute they are. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to just make a little garland of stars. I thought it would be a fun idea to add to my two-tier tray. I'm going to go ahead and hang them on there, actually. So look at how simple this is. You make a little line right there, not too high above the star, and then you press on it with your hand and it sticks right to your garland. And that's it. You have the cutest little star. Look at how cute that is. Now the pattern that we're going to go ahead and make is red, white, and blue. That's the pattern you're going to use. You can mix it up if you want to. You can do it all red, all blue, all white. It's optional, but I'm going to go ahead and use the red, the white, and the blue. I think that's going to be really pretty for my pattern and my display that I am going to go ahead and make. So I have stars in all different types of sizes. So I'm just playing with it and seeing out and trying to figure out what I like and what I don't like. So go ahead and make a couple of stars. If you already brought them, even better. But just play with them, and we're just going to go ahead and move them. And look at how cute that's going to look. Oh my God, that's going to look so gorgeous. And this is just a affordable garland, because you can make it out of any kind of construction paper you have. You can make it out of cardstock paper. You can make it out of anything you have in your home already. You don't have to buy anything, and you don't have to go out of your way to go look for anything. Just make it out of the supplies you already have in your arts and craft room. It's that simple, and trust me, once you're done with it, you're going to love it. So do it the pattern that you want. I'm sticking to the red, white, and blue because I think that's more traditional. It goes in order, and it's up to you. but this is what I'm gonna do. And all I'm doing is sticking it on there and just lifting it up and making sure it's really nice and straight. I want everything to look gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous that is. And this is the pattern that I'll be using. I have different kinds of stars, so that's perfect for me. And this is it. It's done. Look at how simple it is. It is gorgeous. I cannot wait to display it. Go ahead and make one. Go ahead and make your own. You are going to love it. It's going to come out beautiful. I hope you guys make one. And then I just had to show you another quick DIY that I made. And I thought that was perfect for my display. I also made these, and I have a video of this. So I'm going to link the video down below so you can go ahead and check out the other items that I made for my 2-tier tray. And look at how cute that is. The whipped cream, 4th of July. And there you go. I have your stuff ready for your 2-tier tray. I hope you guys make it. I hope you make your own. And if you do, go ahead and tag me on it. And until next time, bye you guys.